Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the text size and the display size in this device. You can see in this device, I set the text size and the display size like this one. So let me show you how to change this one. For this, go to settings and here you can see the option display. Tap on this one. Then here you can see the option display size and text. Tap on this one. So if you want to increase, here you can see the option font size and display size. So if you want to increase the font size, tap on the plus symbol. Now you can see the font size is increasing. You can see the change, right? You can also see in this way you can decrease, tap on the minus symbol. So if you want to increase the display size, just tap on the plus button. You can see. So simply in this way you can enable and disable the text size and the display size in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.